Hello again. This is a repeatability test for the milling machine. What we've got here is a DTI setup and it's on the y-axis, and what we're going to do is we're going to ask the machine to move at 1.5 meters per minute, which is what we normally recommend as maximum, but you can go higher if you need to, if you want to do engraving or anything like that which needs a faster movement. So what we've got here now is we've got the DTI set up, and we've got a little program that just makes it move 10 times backwards and forwards and then stops for 2 seconds so you can look at the gauge and then repeats itself. So what I'll do is I'll just run that now. Unfortunately, this machine here is on a stand, which is actually supported on a pallet. So the whole machine is moving, but if you had it on a secure base, that wouldn't be an issue. Well, now we've set up the DTI on the x-axis, so we'll now just run the program and let you see that one. What we've done is we've actually just made it run back 10 millimeters and then back forwards again. We're now going to do the Z-axis. It's a bit awkward. We can't actually have the DTI set up exactly like we want to be able to film it as well, but this is hopefully give you a good idea. Hopefully that shows you the repeatability of the machine. So what I'd like to do again is just ask you if you could like and subscribe. That'd be very handy. And this is just a general video. Hopefully this will help you understand the accuracy and how we can use the climb cut with repeatability. So thank you very much for watching. Take care.